What's up, YouTube? So today, this is actually a part 2 video of this the but sorry if it's sorry you cannot see my face, guys. It's pretty dark out here. Look, guys. I have to focus on the object. Look at this, guys. You see that? That is like amazing. A lot of toys and my God, guys. Oh, Tito, helium balloon. That's what helium. Yeah, guys, and like I said again, I repeat, sorry you cannot see my face, guys. It's pretty dark out here, guys. It's Panaad Festival, guys. This is the perfect time, guys. This is Tuesday right now. There's a terminal, guys, right over there. It's literally a terminal, guys. Yeah, that is a terminal. That's Panaad Terminal, guys. This is the perfect time for the festival, guys. Tons of plants, guys. Look, the trees are really attached to the terminal, guys. Is this a terminal?
No.
What?
It's a restaurant.
But it looks like a terminal.
Yeah.
What?
Because the owner is one of the biggest company
Of that?
transportation here.
Oh. The owner of transportation. So that is a restaurant, guys.
Oh.
Look how amazing this place is, guys. See a lot of people walking around, guys. Also me over here. This place looks really so yeah, guys, this place looks really amazing, guys. And I'm gonna be right back to find the plants, guys. See you there. Okay, guys, I don't find any plants yet, but the plants are really so far, guys. Ahead, guys, the plants are really so far from me. Look at that, that's a lot of people, guys. It's a lot of people. And I'm actually a Filipino, guys. So sorry if there's no plants in this area, but I'm gonna literally look for the plants. Cheap barbecue over here, guys. Just a bunch of barbecue. Wow, guys. The people over here and we got wow, guys, look at that. There's a spotlight over there, guys. So yeah, this is one of my perfect times up Panaad Festival, guys. It looks great during night. Wow, guys. Wow, look at that, guys. And there's fish. There's fish selling over here. And wow, guys, there's really a lot of people. And you can see over here there's actually a lot of those like canteens, guys. Look at that, guys. So yeah, guys, that's really a lot of canteens, guys. Here, that's really great for me, guys. You go. God, this is the same place where I've been last time, guys. This is the same location, guys. But this time, damo tao, guys. Because it's the festival starting, guys. Really a lot of towel, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be right back to find the plants. I'll see you guys later.
This one. Muna.
Look at that. Wait. Look at that, guys. Which one is nami? Nah, will that grow? You can smoke my dry leaf.
Hindi mo ginakay, ano?
Natural.
Transfer naman, okay naman.
Yeah, guys. Say hello, ma. This is my guys.
Oh.
Ma, can we eat now, ma?
Oh, let's go when we're done. Finally! Thank you, Day.
Ma, is that the same guy that there, ma? Did you say they sell purple waves the last time? That's them, ma, but they...
Move it faster. Walk faster. Move your legs now.
Same basil, guys.
Move it faster.
Oh my God, dude. God, Dito kung ano sila purple basil. Have to be patient naman.
Huwag naman mo. Say sorry.
Sorry. What happened to the purple basil, ma? What happened, ma?
Ako naman gabakal.
Oy, so was I bought that last year, right?
Hindi, bang nga patay mo na siya, di ba? Para patay na yung plans mo.
Sorry, RIP, ma, for that basil, ma. Okay, RIP for that. But lucky I found Dill, guys. Lucky I found Dill. Because Dill is virtually very rare, guys, for my opinion. Yeah, Dill is very rare, guys. So yes, I will count somewhere else, guys. Guys, look what I have here. French fries. This is not French fries. This is totally fries. Look what I have here. New plants, guys.
Excuse me.
I actually have new plants. We got sage.
I'm really messed
Sorry if I forgot marjoram and like purple basil or something, guys. And yeah, guys. Sorry, guys. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you like this part 2 video of Panaad Festival. If you like this part 2 video, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon, guys. Peace.